Hello guys, I am Ms. Pradnya Mahire. My today's topic is about the effect of COVID-19, that is coronavirus, on educational system. Now as we all are locked down in our homes, we are just very much tired. Yeah, everyone is tired, feeling lonely, bored, depressed. Obviously, because no one has been in the house for a too long time, just locked down. So friends, among all the situation, there are also some people who are enjoying, right? They are just chatting, seeing videos, watching movies, and just enjoying the so-called Corona holidays. Yes, friends, nowadays this Corona holidays word has just become a trend because they are enjoying. And the main thing about this is there come some special kind of person who comes in this category of coronavirus holidays. Now, do you know who are these special kind of people? Yeah, that is the youth of India, right? The future of India, the future of their state, the future of their family. Those are these people enjoying these corona holidays. As we all know, the examinations, the university examinations have been cancelled before some days, and there was a huge amount of parties in their minds and playing the videos, putting the statuses, just enjoying. Yeah, I know that first year, second year, third year students examination has been cancelled and they are enjoying. And some people that are the final year students, what they are doing? They are waiting for getting that happiness, means waiting for the examination to get cancelled. So dear friends, is there anything to get happy about it? Really? I just don't think there is anything happy about it. Yeah, I know that this happiness will be with you for a very little time. Yeah, you may think the time is much bigger, that is 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. I just don't know, the year 2020, hope. But what about this? What about when everything will get normal? What about when you will go to search jobs for you? After final year, every family thinks that his daughter or his son or his family member who has got the bachelor degree should go out for the job or should pursue further education. Now, for example, one bachelor student who is passed in the year 2020 goes for an interview. Okay, if he goes in the government or in the private jobs. Yeah, in government jobs there are many examinations and after that they go to the interview section. So their utility, their knowledge has been already tested. But somewhere your utility is not been tested, and there are many people, among 70 to 80% people who go for direct interview to some offices, to some companies, to some factories. And if that interviewer just see your resume and he quotes that you are being the bachelor of the year 2020, a big question mark arises, don't you think? Yeah, because the interviewer will just have many questions that a person who has been passed in the year 2020, of course, he must have been passed, just passed. He has not attempted the examination. So what is the proof that he has that knowledge? And also there is not a mistake of that bachelor because he has not refused to give the examination. Right guys? Now just underline this word refused. Do you think that there is any amount of sense to this? Because the bachelors, they have not refused. They are just telling that we are ready to give the examination, but the government is not taking it. Or really you are able to give the examination? Still not, the government has not declared that the final year examinations are going to get cancelled. But before that, you can do many things. You can write to the government, you can email to the government, you can pass on video to the government that we are ready to give the examination. Guys, so that the government will come to the seriousness that yes, the students are willing to give the examination. Now, the final year students also have a topic, that is, they have a presentation or so-called one seminar or one project in their last semester examination. So there needs, we are tested there for our innovative ideas. We should not give everything on the government. We should not tell every solution should be taken out by the government. We are also the citizen of our India. We are also the citizen of our state. We are also the citizen of our city. So why not we? Yeah. So if a good innovative idea, if we write it, we email it, or we video it to the government, and we ask them that can we take the examination as this. Suppose I think that if we write to the government that if suppose the students are in different cities or in different states, okay, for example, a person means a college in Mumbai, okay, in college in Mumbai wants to take the examination, but his students of that college are obviously in some are Pune, some are in Nasik, some are in Aurangabad, some are in Ahmednagar, many of that. But don't bring the students to the colleges, provide the question papers to that city and tell the city's university to take out the examination. Yeah, is it possible? Possible or impossible? The government will reply to us, right? I'm not now listening to all this. You may say that I am in against the government. Obviously no, friends. I'm just not opposing anything, the rules of the government. I'm not opposing the government orders. I'm not overriding anything. I just want to tell that you should request the government to please help us. Nowadays we are listening and we are also reading in the newspapers and on the internets that the workers from the factories, okay, the employees of the offices and the workers are writing to the collector of the city or to the minister that we need to open our factories, right? We need to open our factories, we need to open our offices so we can start our work again. As we all know, this corona is going to be with us a lifetime. We just have to take proper precautions, dear. Okay, so for that, you have ever listened or ever you have heard in the newspaper, means have you read in the newspaper or heard on any news channel that any student is taking any initiative to start the college or to start the schools? Is this not a very dim thing? Yeah, guys, if we don't think, what will government say? The students are liking all these things. They can be in the houses. How many days? How many days we can be in the homes? Yeah, you are telling you are doing online education? Really? How many of you are doing online? Yeah, you are doing online educations or you are seeing YouTube channels? Who knows? Even the parents, they can see for 2 to 3 times whether his child is learning or not. And also some health issues. I just forgot about that health issues. But means honestly, yes, I think 10% of students may be learning online. They can be very serious about their future. But I just think that 80 to 90% students are just doing time pass. Okay, friends. So there is little, means not little, there is a huge amount of students that they are doing like these things. So I just want to put forth the message that please guys, just do something, because your career is in your hand. As I have made something initiative, you just do for yourself, because when you raise a voice for yourself, it will raise for thousands of students more, and it will motivate more person to take this initiative. So guys, do it now or it's never, because always remember there is never a tomorrow. Thank you guys.